Welcome to How to Solution. In this video, I'll tell you how to repost option not working or how to fix repost option not working in TikTok. So all you need to do is simply get into your profile or TikTok. And before doing so, just make sure that you in your Play Store that your TikTok application is updated. And if it's not, just do it because the new features won't be able to work on the previous versions of the TikTok. So once you're in your TikTok application, get down on it. If you have any other thing, so you would see if there's a repost option down there. So I would eventually go into the share, and once I get into the share, you see that there's this repost button working. And if it's not there, all you need to do is simply get into your profile and see there as well if the repost button is working or not. So if there's no repost button, to fix it, I'll simply tell you, go into your freelance icon or the hamburger option that is at the top right corner. Once you get there, you need to get into settings and privacy. There you need to scroll down all the way up till report a problem. All you need to do is report this problem of repost option not showing up on TikTok. So the TikTok team would really look forward into it, and in some time you can get that issue solved. So to write down, all you need to do is you have different topics over here and you can choose from them as well. But what you need to do is simply get into your writing sign that is at the top right corner and simply write down your problem. That would be repost option not showing up. And once you do that, in the feedback they would really help you solve it, and your problem would be solved in the next 24 hours. So this is how you solve or fix repost option not working in TikTok. And make sure that you guys follow, like, comment, share the YouTube channel of How to Solution. If you guys have any query regarding it, just comment down below. I would love to answer that. See you in the next video. Take care, guys. Peace.